2016 Elantra Gt. No cat, no muffler, just a resonator. Yours could sound like this too. For $3.99. I don't know if you can see it. I'm gonna turn my flashlight on. And I'm gonna drop my phone for you. Bam. Turn my flashlight on for you. That's where the muffler normally is. You can see I melted my bumper. There's the hanger there. You can see way down there, there's still a resonator. There's still a cat housing. There's nothing in it. Essentially, what was left of my cat. Right here, that's a resonator. Cat's gonna be right there. Still factory. Have a good night, Lionel.